Hi, I'm Casey from Skynet. Bringing production data from operations OT into IT is critical for success in today's competitive environment. Connections to the data must be secure, reliable, and high-performing. The best approach for this kind of data connection is tunnel mirroring. With a tunnel mirror, you can encapsulate data and move it securely across networks. Done properly, tunnel mirroring faithfully reproduces data from any remote location, adding no cybersecurity risk to OT or IT. Software at the source of the data converts the data stream from an industrial protocol to TCP and sends it across the network. At the receiving end, similar software converts the data stream from TCP back into the original protocol, or possibly others, without changing the namespace. The data might be real-time, process data, alarm data, or recorded historical data, and the data flow can be one-way or bidirectional. To keep production systems secure, the system must be able to keep all inbound firewall ports on the plant side closed. Tunneling historical data first became popular as a way to network OPC-DA data within the plant. OPC-DA is an industrial protocol built on Windows COM technology. Unfortunately, COM networking, or DCOM, is difficult to configure and not very secure. To solve this, tunnel mirror software is used to send OPC-DA across the network via TCP. Generally, there are two approaches to OPC tunnel design. One approach simply extends the OPC connection across the tunnel via TCP so that the network connection must stay intact for the OPC client and server to stay connected. If the network drops, the OPC connection also drops, forcing them to reconnect each time. The second approach is to convert the OPC protocol at the sending end to a TCP-specific protocol for secure networking, and then convert it back to OPC at the receiving end. By separating the OPC protocol from the tunneling protocol, the OPC server and client remain connected even when the network goes down. This approach can be used to tunnel other protocols and other types of data, not just OPC-DA. With the advent of Industry 4.0 and industrial IoT, there is now high demand for production data outside the plant network. The data may be real-time, alarm, or historical data. It may come in a variety of protocols, like OPC-DA, A&E, UA and AC, Modbus, MQTT, and more. And it has to be secure. You want to provide access to the data, but not to the network. A well-designed tunnel mirror system meets these requirements. To ensure security, the tunnel connection is outbound, avoiding any need to reach into the OT space from the outside. All inbound firewall ports stay closed, ensuring zero attack surfaces for the plant data. Otherwise, an open port would let intruders probe applications to gain ready access to the network. The tunnel mirror software on the client end can reside anywhere, in the IT department, a manager's desk, a field rep's laptop, or in the cloud. The data can be fed in real-time graphical displays and HMIs, analytical tools, data lakes, AI, or other processes. To keep the data side as secure as the OT side and fully isolate both the OT and IT networks, a good tunnel mirror system can work seamlessly over a DMZ. For this, an additional software component is installed on the DMZ to allow a daisy chain of connections from OT through the DMZ to IT. IT makes outbound-only connections through its firewall, and the two networks remain completely separated from each other, updating in real time through tunnel mirror connections. Beyond OPC-DA, today's tunneling software must connect to a variety of OPC servers, OPC-DA, UA, or A&E, as well as PLCs, embedded devices, data historians, databases, spreadsheets, or just simple CSV files. And the software should be able to aggregate the data under a single unified namespace for full access throughout the enterprise. For supervisory control, good tunnel mirror software can mirror data changes on the client side back to the data source. This bidirectional data flow allows feedback from the management level, like set point changes, updated recipes, or new control specs to be sent back to the process in real time. If you are looking for secure and reliable data communications between your production systems and the rest of your enterprise, tunnel mirroring is a proven technology that can do the job. Please contact Skynet to find out more.